In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Steam account. Now, what we're going to want to do is open up a web browser, and in your search bar, go ahead and type Steam. Click Enter. And then on the search results, we're going to want to go to store.steampowered.com. This is the Steam website. And then here in the top right, you're going to see this option to sign in. Go ahead and click Sign In. And then it brings us to this option to either sign in or sign in with our QR code. Now, if we don't have an account yet, we're going to want to go down here and click Create an Account. And then here, we're going to type in an email address and confirm our email address. Specify your country of residence. Click to confirm you are not a human and that you are 13 years of age or older, so you can agree to the Steam subscriber agreement and the Valve privacy policy. Go ahead and click Continue. And it sends a verification email to the email that you put in. Then open up your email and click Verify my email address. Now that it's verified, you can go back to the previous window. Now it's telling you to create your account. This is where you can set up your Steam account name. Now putting this will be your user profile name. Check that it's available. And once you've put in a password, go ahead and click Done. And then that's it. It's created your Steam account, and now you're logged in and you can download and start playing any games you want on Steam. Hopefully you found that helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.